Today's topic is all about how we can convert Excel to PDF. First, open a workbook or the Excel file that you want to convert. Once you're inside the Excel, click the File button at the top left. Next, select Save As on the left. Now select what folder you're going to save the file. Once you're done choosing the folder, a pop-up window will show up. In here, click on the Save As type or the drop-down menu below the file name. Next, look for the PDF option and click it. Next, tap the Save button, and there you go. Your Excel file has been converted to PDF. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.